Guys, mag-walking kami ni Habi. Ayan yung sunset. 8 PM na dito guys, pero maliwanag pa yung paligid guys. Ayan pa yung paligid guys, maliwanag. Kararating lang namin, galing kami sa car show ng mga vintage. No, it's not vintage car. Di ba babe? Di ba babe? Di ba babe? I love you.
Love you all.
Ayan yung sunset guys. Oh, mataas pa yung araw guys. 'Di ba? Mag-walking kami kasi ang dami namin kinain. Habi,
Yeah.
what's your step?
What?
What's your step?
My what?
Your step.
I'm fine. Don't worry about me.
Now it's car is there. And you're busy your phone.
I'm editing these before I'm send them.
Diyan. There we go. Straight.
Yeah. Probably should go get bread.
Mataas pa yung araw guys. Oh, yan yung sunset. Sabi nila. What's big? You learn Tagalog. Sabi nila.
You don't tell me anything. You
Yeah.
say learn this, and then you don't tell me anything else again.
Yeah, yes.
So until you start telling me stuff.
Sabi.
I want you. Are you here? Smiling and looking at me, making my day happy.